Hi guys, welcome to the third video of this series. The first outfit I want to show you is the one I wore to Ikea the other day. My floral top is from Another Stories, my jeans are from H&M, and my bag is from Local Boutique. I usually wear my espadrilles or my white sneakers with these type of outfits, but I was feeling a little bit fancy, so I decided to go with a pair of pointed toe heels from Staccato. And I love that the color of the heels matches my bag really well. The second outfit I want to show you is the one I wore to a bookshop cafe. It's a really simple and comfortable outfit. I'm just wearing a cotton gray dress from a local boutique and I'm wearing my Crocs sandals. To add something a little bit different to this outfit, I'm actually wearing a hat scarf. This one's from Another Stories. And my black bag is a gift from a friend. Don't you just love being surrounded by books? I decided to put on a little bit of red lipstick because I just feel like the weather here in Hong Kong is too hot and humid for face makeup, and putting on red lipstick gives off the illusion that I'm actually wearing a full face of makeup. That's a trick that I just love doing. Honestly, you can see how hot it was outside just by how red my cheeks are. I swear I'm not wearing any blush. I only put on my red lipstick and a little bit of glitter on my eyes. My face just gets really red when it's really hot outside. This is probably the first time that I actually put on makeup in a month and a half, maybe. Yeah, around a month or two. During my time there, I actually found a copy of Test of D'Urberville's. I have not read this book in years. I think the last time I read it I was 17 or 18. I just remember this is the text that I wrote my first long essay on, so it's nice to look back on it. Alright, for the last outfit of this video, I want to show you what I wore when I just walked around and did some grocery shopping. It's again another simple outfit. I am wearing a black dress from Zara, a linen shirt from M&S. I'm using my Somi bag, which I've shown quite a few times in the series already. Lastly, my slides are from Oriental Traffic. I love the woven details and they're really comfortable to walk in. That's all for this chapter. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Stay tuned for the next one. I'll see you then.